Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the restriction specifics so you know the target. Once you have the notice date and reason code, download screenshots and collect account ID, recent listings, and verification documents. Make sure to note any linked emails, phone numbers, and payment methods. Now open the platform's policy center or account settings and copy the exact text of the restriction. This ensures you act on precise grounds and prevents guesswork when you submit the appeal or take corrective steps. You now prepare a focused appeal that explains what happened and what you fixed. Start with one clear sentence stating the restriction and then list corrective actions you completed, including dates. Attach supporting files like invoices, tracking numbers, refunds, or screenshots of policy compliance. Once done, submit through the platform's official appeal form and copy the same content into a polite message to support chat or email. Make sure to include request for expedited review and a reachable contact number. You finish by actively following up until the restriction is lifted. After submission, check messages and email multiple times a day and reply within 24 hours with any requested clarifications. If the appeal is denied, ask for precise policy references and submit additional evidence or propose a corrective action plan. Once you receive written confirmation, update any paused listings and verify payment settings. Troubleshooting tip: if reviews stall, escalate to a supervisor or open a fresh case.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.